In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your HP DeskJet 3755. This will also work with any other HP printers that have the same shape. So the first thing we need to go is on the back over here. Let me remove this one. So once you get the printer, you're going to go with your fingers, and on the back you have a small lip over here where you can stick your fingers. You're going to take this back panel and lift it all the way up like this. Actually, you need to lift it up even more until it clicks. Okay, now we're good. You're going to let this small panel rest on its back this way. Now next step, you're going to see over here, there's this plastic cover that we simply need to lift. And here you're going to see a gray plastic guide that moves right and left. If you're printing on letter size paper like I do, you need to push this all the way towards the right side. If you want to print on 4x6 or any other odd sizes, especially pictures, you're going to see on the front on this panel you have some guides. So if you want to print on 5x7, take that small gray guide and put it right beside this line. If you print on 4x6, move it towards this line. But in my case, since I'm printing on letter size paper, I need to put it right over there. Okay, now take your sheets of paper, you can have multiple ones, and simply let them glide inside. You don't need to push. Before printing, do not forget to extend this paper tray all the way out. And then there's even a small flap over there, so the paper, once it gets printed, does not fly around on your desk or goes on the floor. So this is it. This is how you load paper in your HP DeskJet 3755. If you want to support my channel, please check the affiliate Amazon links in the description to get paper or ink for your HP printer. This is the actually best way to support my channel. If not, just leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.